Mountain View, California, April 3, 2018. Globe Newswire, ChemoCentryx Incorporated, Nasdaq CCXI, today announced that Thomas J. Schall, Ph.D., President and Chief Executive Officer, will present at two upcoming investor conferences in April: Monday, April 9, 2018 at 9 a.m. Central European Time.
H.C. Wainwright Global Life Sciences Conference.
Le Méridien Beach Plaza Hotel, Monaco.
Tuesday, April 10, 2018 at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time.
A live audio webcast of the presentation at the H.C. Wainwright Global Life Sciences Conference can be accessed through the Investors section of the company's website at. A replay of the webcast will be available on the company's website for 2 weeks following the live presentation.
ChemoCentryx is a biopharmaceutical company developing new medications targeted at inflammatory and autoimmune diseases and cancer. ChemoCentryx targets the chemokine and chemoattractant systems to discover, develop and commercialize orally administered therapies. ChemoCentryx is currently focusing on its late-stage drug candidates for patients with rare kidney diseases, Avacopan, CCX168, and CCX140.
Avacopan is an orally administered small molecule that is a selective inhibitor of the complement C5a receptor, or C5R. Avacopan is in phase 3 development for the treatment of antineutrophil cytoplasmic autoantibody-associated vasculitis, oncovasculitis. In clinical studies to date, Avacopan was shown to be safe, well-tolerated and provided effective control of the disease while allowing elimination of high-dose steroids, part of the current standard of care. Avacopan is also being developed in patients with C3 glomerulopathy, CEG, hidradenitis suppurativa, HS, and atypical hemolytic uremic syndrome, AS. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration has granted Avacopan orphan drug designation for oncovasculitis, SIG-and-AS. The European Commission has granted orphan medicinal product designation for Avacopan for the treatment of two forms of oncovasculitis, microscopic polyangiitis and granulomatosis with polyangiitis, formerly known as Wegener's granulomatosis, as well as for SIG. Avacopan was also granted access to the European Medicines Agency's EMA, Priority Medicines, PRIME, initiative, which supports accelerated assessment of investigational therapies addressing unmet medical need. The company's other late-stage drug candidate is CCX140, an inhibitor of the chemokine receptor known as CCR2, which is currently being developed for patients with focal segmental glomerulosclerosis, FSGS, a debilitating kidney disease. ChemoCentryx's Kidney Health Alliance with Vifor Pharma provides Vifor Pharma with exclusive rights to commercialize Avacopan and CCX140 in markets outside of the US and China.
ChemoCentryx also has early-stage drug candidates that target chemoattractant receptors in other inflammatory and autoimmune diseases and in cancer.
Executive Vice President, Chief Financial and Administrative Officer.